Hello everyone and welcome to Cryptics. Today we're looking at a cute dog token. Now, this has been all the rage in the crypto world, but this is not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence. Today we're looking at Keisuke, and we're going to take a look at K, how it works, and how to get our hands on it. This is the website at keisuke.finance, and we can see it here on CoinMarketCap, the low end, the high end. We can see all the information about it and see that it's based in Ethereum. So what we want to do is go ahead and copy the address, and then we can go to an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, and then either buy some Ethereum with US dollars or swap it for another currency. After we acquire the currency on the exchange, we'll want to go ahead and then send it to a wallet. I like MetaMask.io. It's a secure wallet, and you can find it at MetaMaskHere.io. And then we're going to transfer our Ethereum to our MetaMask wallet. After we've done that, we're going to copy the Ethereum address, and we're going to come to Uniswap here. And then we can select a token information. We can see K is here. We can import it, and then we can just swap our Ethereum for our K. Make sure you have your MetaMask wallet connected to Uniswap as well after you do that. So, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about K or anything like that. Also be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to know when I post more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.